Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shotcut for frame rate conversion, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Shotcut and wait for the main interface to load. Locate and click on the Open File button in the upper left corner. Browse your computer for the video file you want to convert. Select the file and click Open. Once your video is loaded, look for the Properties panel on the left side. If you don't see the Properties panel, go to the View menu and select Properties. In the Properties panel, find the Video section. Here, you will see the current frame rate of your video. To change the frame rate, look for the Set Frame Rate option. Click on the drop-down menu next to Set Frame Rate. Choose your desired frame rate from the list provided. Common options include 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. After selecting the new frame rate, go to the Export section. Click on the Export button, located in the toolbar at the top. In the Export panel, you can customize your output settings. Choose the desired format for your converted video. Make sure to select a resolution compatible with your chosen frame rate. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on the Export File button. Choose a location on your computer to save the new file. Enter a name for your converted video and click Save. Shotcut will begin processing the frame rate conversion. Monitor the progress bar to see how long it will take. When the process is complete, your converted video will be saved in the chosen location. You can now locate your file and play it to confirm the frame rate change. That's how to register with Shotcut for frame rate conversion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.